how to remove watermark from Gemini or Nano Banana. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how it's done. It is very easy, it is for free, and let's just go and get to it. So first I'm just going to generate an image using Nano Banana, and then from there I'm just going to show you exactly how to remove it right away. I mean the watermark, of course. So I'm just going to go to Gemini, create images, and I'm just going to generate a random image right now. So I just gave it this prompt, and now we have this image from Gemini, and it has this watermark down below. So we want to remove it. So simply, first download the full-size image, and you just want to open up a new tab with your browser and just type in Gemini Watermark Remover. So it's going to be this one right here, banana.ovo.re. This is the one that we will be using. I have tested it out before. It is completely safe, so don't worry. So I'm just going to open it up, and then I'm just going to click on this, which is click to select or drag images here. Select the image that we have just created, and just like that, it's just going to remove the entire, it's just going to remove the watermark for you. So just click on download, and you're pretty much good to go. Now, as you can see, we have this image now without any watermarks. Now, I just noticed that this image had this kind of signature down below, but it's not a part of the watermark. I've checked with other images, it just completely removes it. This is just random signature that was generated with the actual Gemini or Nano Banana image. So this is pretty much how to do it. So it's very simple, as you can see. Hopefully you found this video to be informative, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.